Want to know how to generate sales insights in TeamGate CRM? You're in the right place. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll not only learn how to unlock powerful insights with TeamGate, but also discover an exclusive free trial offer and some alternatives that might just work even better for your goals. Let's dive right in. The first thing you need to understand about TeamGate CRM is how to use its sales pipeline feature. With TeamGate, you can easily track your deals and manage them through different stages, from prospecting to closing. This helps you spot trends in your sales cycle. The key here is not just looking at individual sales, but understanding how your team's performance aligns across the pipeline. Sales insights come from recognizing where bottlenecks occur and what stages need more attention. Next thing, TeamGate's reporting features are crucial for gaining actionable insights. Their customizable reports let you track key metrics like conversion rates, lead sources, and average deal sizes. These metrics provide a clear picture of your sales performance, which can be vital in identifying where improvements can be made. The thing about TeamGate's reporting is that while it's fairly detailed, some users find it a bit limiting when compared to more specialized tools. But for teams that need simplicity, it's still a solid choice. The third thing you should know is TeamGate's activity tracking. You can monitor each team member's activities like calls, meetings, and tasks. This gives you insight into how effectively your team is engaging with leads and managing their workflow. But the downside is that it can sometimes feel like there's too much emphasis on individual activities rather than the overall team's performance, which can make it hard to get a holistic view. Now let's talk about integrations. TeamGate CRM does offer integrations with tools like Google Workspace, MailChimp, and Zapier. While this helps a lot in automating some of your processes, the reality is that the integrations can be a bit clunky compared to other CRMs that offer smoother, more comprehensive options. If you rely heavily on integrations, this might feel limiting. The fifth thing you should know is the AI-powered insights that TeamGate is rolling out. This feature gives you predictive analytics, helping you understand which deals are most likely to close and which leads need more nurturing. While this is an amazing feature for some, it can feel somewhat basic if you're used to CRMs with deeper AI capabilities. Now, let's talk about alternatives that might suit your goals even better. There are several CRM platforms out there that offer advanced analytics and better integration options. For example, platforms like HubSpot and Pipedrive provide more sophisticated sales insights and a more seamless experience when it comes to integrations. They can help you generate deeper sales insights by tracking more granular data, providing more in-depth reports, and offering better automation tools. At this point, you might be wondering which platform is best for you. Well, if you're looking for a CRM that can help you generate actionable sales insights without all the hassle, we've got you covered. The great news is, we have an exclusive, extended free trial offer to TeamGate CRM available through our link below. But before you make a decision, take a look at those alternatives we mentioned. They might be a better fit depending on your business size and needs. By using our link, you'll not only get the best free trial for TeamGate, but also gain access to exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. So, check the link below to get started with your free trial of TeamGate CRM or explore those amazing alternatives. Thanks for watching, and good luck generating those sales insights.